This is the Tesla Model 3, and lots of people ask about the spare tire in these cars. What is the location of the spare tire? You would, of course, want to see the spare tire here in the trunk, in this place, but of course there is no spare tire. And there is actually no tire repair kit, and there is no jack, and there is nothing. So basically you may buy a tire repair kit from Tesla, and that's what Tesla recommends doing. So you can buy a tire repair kit, but I am really skeptical about those kits because they can damage the TPMS sensors and they are not that easy to use. So basically the best thing if you drive all around the interstate roads, the best thing to do is to buy a donut spare tire and the set of jack and wrench for your wheels, because this will save you time and money on the road if something happens with one of the wheels. You actually just install the donut wheel and limp to a tire repair shop. If you don't have the spare tire, you will need to wait for the emergency road assist from Tesla or from AA or from whatever service you have. So basically this is what it takes when you buy a modern car. A lot of modern vehicles will just not have the spare tire. The tire repair kits will be present in the majority of vehicles, but Tesla decides to sell it separately. So this is how it works in these vehicles.